Hi, my name's Frank. I'm here with all my friends here, and we're here at St. John's Church in Chambersburg, and we're teaching line dancing. This line dance is called Stand By Me. It's a takeoff on that great hit by Benny King back in 1960. So we're going to show it to you, and then after this is over, you can go to the demo with the music. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to point with our right foot, starting with our right foot. We're going to go point and point. Now we're going to walk back 4 steps, starting with our right foot. Right, left, right, left. Now we're going to point again, starting with our right foot. Point, point. Now we're just going to go straight forward. Right, left, right, left. Now we're going to point 4 times, starting with our right foot. Right, left, right, left. When we do that, if we remember to do this, we can point, take my right, point it to the left, and take the left, point it to my right. And it would look like this. Right, left, right, left. Now we're going to march 8 times and face the other wall. We're going to turn to our right or clockwise. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we would start it again. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go through the whole thing, going to all 4 walls. So here we go. We're going to go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now we're going to point 4 times. Right, left, right, left. Now we march around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Right, left, go back. Right, left, right, stop. Right, left, right, left, right. 4 times. Right, left, right. March 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Right, point, left, point, right, left, right. Down, right, left, right, left, right. 4 times. Right, left, right, left. In a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Point. Right, point, left, go back. Right, left, right. 4 times. Right, left, go forward. Right, left, right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is Stand By Me.